Namaskar and welcome back to the second part of our journey to the temples of Almora in Uttarakhand. Jageshwar Temple is our second destination. Bells देख के कुछ याद आया आपको? Yes, in the first part of our series we visited the Chitai temple, and on this same route moving forward we will reach Jageshwar temple, which is about 36 kilometers approximately from Almora on the way to Pathaugarh. So if you start early morning, you can cover both these temples on the very same day as they both are on the same route. Jageshwar is considered as one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva. Lies on the ancient route of Kailash Mansarovar. It is said that Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya came here and re-established the sanctity of these temples. The group consists of around 125 temples of various shapes and sizes, ranging between 7th century AD to 18th century AD. These temples are dedicated to Lord Shiva and goddess named Yogeshwar. That is Jageshwar, Mrityunjaya, Kedareshwar, Navdurga, Surya, Navgraha, Lakulish, Baleshwar, Pushti Devi and Kalika Devi, etc. The Katyuri rulers are stated to have restored the shrines, and the numerous grants by various members of the Chand dynasty reflect their dedication. This group of temples is protected monument of Archaeological Survey of India, Dehradun. ये तो थी टेम्पल की हिस्ट्री, अब चलते हैं अंदर. So this is the entrance to the Jageshwar temples, and this is the movement plan of Jageshwar group of temples. तो हम आ गए हैं जागेश्वर टेम्पल के अंदर. यहाँ से दिस इज द मेन गेट, द मेन एंट्रेंस टू द टेम्पल. मूविंग अहेड, ये देखिए जागेश्वर धाम, ये है यहाँ का मेन मंदिर, और ये बाहर हैं वो बाकी के सारे 125 मंदिर, the 125 remaining temples. Now let's go inside the very main temple of Jageshwar. This one. Om Namah Shivaya. So this is the biggest and the most important temple here, Mahamrityunjay temple, also called Jyotirlinga Jageshwar. I am standing outside the temple as cameras are not allowed inside. Straight there you'll see that temple has the first Shivling of the world, and that is why it is the most important one. Moving on to the next temple now, this one. This has Lord Shiva in the center, the biggest rock that you see. The one in front is Goddess Parvati, and the smallest rock that you see is said to be Lord Ganesha. They say you will have the same at Kedarnath temple. इसमें बीच में है शिव जी, उनसे आगे हैं पार्वती माता, और सबसे पीछे छोटे से रूप में है गणेश जी. कहते हैं ये सेम दर्शन आपको केदारनाथ जी पर भी होंगे. चलिए नेक्स्ट है अन्नपूर्णा मंदिर. दिस वन इज अन्नपूर्णा टेम्पल. And now we move forward to the next one. This one here is तांडेश्वर टेम्पल. इस पिक्चर में आपको शिवजी तांडव करते दिखेंगे. ये है तांडेश्वर मंदिर. चलिए अब और आगे चलते हैं, और ये वाला यहाँ पे है लकुलिशा मंदिर. This one here is Lakulisha temple. Different pictures on every temple. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हर तरह के मंदिर हैं. कुछ बड़े हैं, कुछ छोटे हैं, कुछ बहुत छोटे हैं. Different shapes and sizes of temples around, and the amazing information that I'm going to share with you is that these temples are made up of stone slabs. जी हाँ, ये मंदिर बने हुए हैं पत्थरों से. They are not fixed by cement. This is why these temples are amazing. This one is the main Mahamrityunjay temple. Enjoy looking at this beautiful creation. These gorgeous temples are one of a kind. We complete our darshan by visiting the last temple here. This one is the Batuk Bhairav temple. ये है बटुक भैरव देवता का मंदिर और यहाँ पर भोग में खिचड़ी का प्रसाद चढ़ता है, सिर्फ खिचड़ी का प्रसाद. Wondering why you should visit this place? One, because it has the first shivling of the world. Second, this place lies in the lap of nature. Third, the amazing part is that these temples are made up of stone slabs and are surrounded by the amazingly tall and beautiful cedar trees. And with this, we complete the tour of these beautiful Jageshwar temples. I'm sure if you are a Shiv Bhakt, you would not want to miss the first shivling of the world. अगर आप एक शिव भक्त हैं तो आप यहाँ जरूर आएंगे. After visiting these beautiful temples, on our way back from Jageshwar towards Almora, we wanted to rest a while, have a cup of tea, coffee and some snacks. If you want to do the same, you can stop by a place called the Heritage Resort. This is the Heritage Resort, a lovely place I found on my way back for some snacks. The food quality and the service both were really good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Signing off right now, promising to come back with the third part of this series, Temples of Almora. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.